Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna work on a quick tutorial for Clover earrings. I'm too lazy to make two pairs, so I have one, so we're gonna make the second one today. And tomorrow I'm gonna release a tutorial for the ring. And it's really petite and I really love it. Look. So for this one, you're gonna need obviously 8 pieces of Matubo Ginkgo beads. Then you need 15 Miyuki seed beads, pair of earring hooks, your stop bead, your beading needles, and for thread I'm gonna use gold. I'm using light gold here, so I'm actually using 20 here, Miyuki 20. So I'm gonna thread my needle with a yard. That's all you need, and then we'll get to work. So I thread my needle, put my stop bead, lift the tail. Now I'm gonna pick up one Ginkgo, take my needle like this, pick up one 15 and then pick up the second Ginkgo like this. So this is what I have. Pick up 3 15-0s. Take your needle here, through the second hole of the same Ginkgo. Pick up one 15-0 and the third Ginkgo like this. This is what I have. Pick up 3 15-0s and take it here. So this is what I have. Pick up one 15-0 and the last Ginkgo, like so. This is what I have. Pick up 3 15-0s and take it here. Pick up one 15-0 and take it up here. And this is what I have. Here, pick up 3 15-0s, take it down here, take your needle through the 15-0 and through the Ginkgo. This is what I have. Take your needle through the 3 15-0s, pick up 9 15-0s, take it through next 3 15-0s, pick up 9 15-0s, take it through next 3 15-0s, pick up 9 15-0s, take it through the next 3 15-0s, just hold that stop bead down, you completely ignore it for now, pick up 9 15-0s and take it here. This is what I have. I'm just gonna go around the 15-0s for a round maybe. This is just reinforcing your work because it's a bit wobbly, but you know these 15-0s have small holes, so after you go through them a few times it gets really sturdy. Now here, remember you have the 3 15-0s on top. You can still find them because of the thread popping out here. So I'm gonna come out of the middle one of those. So these are the 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna come out of the middle one, like so, and then pick up 30, 50 nose. So I have my 30, 50 nose. I'm gonna drop it down, pick up earring hook, and go down through all those 30, 50 nose. So. Now, if you remember, I'm coming out of the middle one, so I'm gonna go through the same middle bead. See, I'm coming out of here, so I'm gonna go back through the same bead. And that will center the earring hook. I'm just gonna get away from there. Now I'm gonna remove my needle from this one. I'm not getting rid of it yet because I'm still gonna use this to reinforce my work. But here I'm gonna remove this stop bead. Thread my needle. And I'm gonna use this to reinforce this. So that's where I am. I'm just gonna go up. So I'm not gonna go through the same bead. That's where this is attached. I'm just gonna come out of the bead right before that. Then I'm gonna go up all the 30 beads. Take my needle through the hook. And then I'm gonna take it back through all those 30 beads. And now I'm coming out of this one here, went up. I'm gonna skip the middle bead and go down here. And that further helps center this. And here we are done. All you do is just keep going through this, through the 50 nose surrounding your clover. But how many times you go, it's entirely up to you, because your 50 nose might have smaller or slightly bigger holes depending on the finish. So I'm just going to remove this here, and I'm going to use the longer length to continue going round and round until it becomes too tight to take your needle through. I'm almost there as well because it's becoming quite tight. Just gonna keep going. Here might be quite dense now because that middle 50 now has seen more thread than the others. So it was quite tight. It means I'm not gonna go there anymore. So I'm gonna get rid of the tail before I reach that point. I'm gonna get rid of the tail. And this is what you have. Look at that. I am loving this. Perfect for summer. I'm making lots of jewelry for summer. Someone's excited for warm weather. Thanks for watching, guys. Tomorrow I'll release this tutorial. Make sure to check out the description box for all the materials you need, all the colors, all the color codes. There'll be lots of links to my shop. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.